Hey traders, thank you for stopping by here, thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to go over the oil chart here. I'm going to go over something that I saw just recently happen and how you can use it to profit from oil. So we're looking at USO. We're looking at 200 days of action on USO. So what I want to point out is something happened just this to end last week that has happened twice before in the last year, and each time that has happened, it has led to a big upside move for the oil commodity. Okay, so what is that move? Well, I'm going to show you where it's happened before. So we have right here a false breakdown. So here we have a clear level of support right there. Boom, 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 boom. All right, we break that support right here, hold below it for about 2 weeks, and then boom, we gapped up and closed back over it. All right, making this a false breakdown below that support. Okay, you can see a big move up, and we traded sideways and we went even higher later. All right, the next time it happened was not too far after that event happened. So here we have a clear level of support here, there, 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 there. We break that support right here, hold below it for about 5 days, and then boom, we gap up over it, and you can see a big move. Sorry, I couldn't talk for a second. A big move happened after that. So what you need for a false breakdown to happen is you need a clear level of support. Okay, where a lot of levels have hit. All right. So what do you have over here? Same thing. All right, same thing. Level of support. Boom, boom, boom. You know, for about 2.5 weeks straight, almost every single day, hit that level. So very, very important level. We broke that level right here, only to break right back over it right here. All right, just to end last week. All right, so if oil holds these levels, I think we can get at least a nice another little pop out of oil. Okay, false breakdown. You've seen it work here. You've seen it work back over here. All right, back over there. We broke back over it right there. Okay, same thing happened here. Clear level of support. Broke the support and then broke right back over it. The other key thing that you want to see is a gap up. Okay, and you saw the gap up, a strong move back above that level. We didn't just barely close above it. We gapped up and we closed well. We gapped up over that level on this day, and then we closed above it with a very strong candle. Same thing happened here. Gap up, see that day right there? Gap up and a strong close. Same thing. Gap up and a strong close. And both preceded very big moves in oil. Okay? Here in the short term, here in a bigger move that we saw right there. Okay. The other thing that I want to show you too is a false breakout that we saw on oil, and this is why we called for lower prices on this action right here. We had this resistance there, right here, traded sideways against it right here. All right. We broke over it right here. Broke over it right here. Okay, it should have headed higher, but then we broke under it on this day, and you can see a huge move happen lower after that. So these false breakouts and false breakdowns work extremely, extremely well. So I hope that this video helped you, and now I want to show you some trades that we've taken, because a lot of people, you know, I make these videos for people, and they say, okay, you can make these videos, but can you actually trade? Can you actually make money in the market? And can you actually make money for your clients? And the answer to that is a resounding yes. Here are our recent trade results from December and January right here. We only have 3 losers in this period of time. I think there's about 20 trades, and only 3 of those were losers. Okay, so these are our trades. These are trades that all of my members get access to in real time. So if you're looking for real-time trade alerts that actually make money, then you have to sign up and join here, and you're going to be able to make a bunch of winning trades just like we make right here. So again, and the thing that we use here are these false breakdown and false breakout setups. Just what I showed you on oil is something that I'm doing day in and day out with consistency, and I do not deviate from that strategy. And why don't I deviate from the strategy? Because as you can see, it works like gangbusters. All right. So now I'd like to invite you on the planet. Okay. How do I know that? Because no one gets the results that we get, and no one has the testimonials and the case studies from satisfied members like we do. All right. So if you've bought and sold trades at the wrong time, you're not confident when the right time to get in is, and you're losing money in the market, then you have to sign up and join this service, because you're going to get access to every trade I make. Every trade that I make, I send out an alert in real time for both the buy and sell alerts. And these are easy to follow alerts. So if you're unfamiliar with options or even trading, these alerts are super easy to follow. And anytime you don't understand anything, I'm there for you in real time to answer any questions that you might have. All right. So here's a couple of other examples of some winning trades that we had recently. If you had been a member at that time, you would have been able to profit alongside of us. All right. The other thing that you get here that separates our service from all the other crap services out there is you're getting 100% complete transparency with this real-time portfolio tracker. This is something you're going to get access to when you sign up and join today. Every single trade that we take is put on this real-time portfolio tracker, including our open positions. Our closed positions are tracked on the real-time portfolio tracker. You're going to be able to see our wins, our losses, how much we're winning, how much we're losing. Hint, we are winning a lot. All right. We've been using this real-time portfolio tracker since July of 2018. And since that time, the portfolio is up $173,000 in just that 6-month period of time. All right. Tracking all of our alerts. All right. And that's what you're going to get access to when you join. The other thing you're getting is you're getting prepared for these trades ahead of time. Not every single trade is something that we can prepare you for ahead of time because we get daily signals. But most of the trades here we do cover ahead of time, so you know what to expect. And this is covered via video. Everything is done via video so that you can get a detailed explanation of exactly what's going on and what to expect. The next thing you're getting is access to our our exclusive member-only videos. Each trade alert includes a video explanation of the trade. So we're not just handing you out these alerts and that's it. That would be good. You would be making money. But the other thing that you're getting here is you're getting these member videos. I describe the strategy we're using in these videos. I describe why the stop loss is where it is, why the target is where it is. So you get a deep understanding of exactly what's going on, and it's going to make you a better trader. And even if you're not trying to become, the next Warren Buffett or Paul Tudor Jones trader, and you just want to rely on the expertise of someone like myself to help you make money in the market, then that's great too. And these videos are going to give you confidence in these alerts, because if you don't have confidence in these alerts, then you're not going to be able to make these trades and so on and such forth. So when you have confidence in these trades and you understand that there's a process behind this and you see the strategy and you see the reasoning behind it, you're going to feel so much better about these trades. So the next thing you're getting is our access to our full education library. We discuss our entire strategy in great length in this video library, and that alone is worth 10 times what we charge for this membership. That one thing where we explain our exact strategy is worth so much more, and you're getting that included into your membership. The other thing you're getting is inside the library is other technical analysis videos, It's going to bring you up to speed on options and how we do things. So if you're new to options, this is going to be great for you. Even if you're not new to options, it's going to bring you up to speed on how we do things, and we do things the right way. And how do I know we do things the right way? Well, plain and simple, it's because we get results and we're making money in the market, so we have to be doing something right, and you're going to be learning about that when you watch these educational videos. So that's everything that you're going to get when you sign up and you join today. This is the annual membership here for just $787 for the entire year. This is our most discounted offer that we've ever done here for the annual membership here. And all you got to do is click this button right here, and it's going to take you to the 100% secure checkout page for this annual membership. And all you have to do is enter in your name, your email, your phone number. Make sure that you're entering in a valid phone number, because this is how you receive the buy and sell text message alerts. All right. Choose a password, enter in your debit or credit card information here, or if you want to check out using PayPal, you can do that by clicking that button and then clicking this button, and it's going to take you to the 100% secure PayPal checkout page. It's totally up to you whether you want to check out using credit card, debit card, or PayPal. It's for your convenience. And that's it. Click this button, join the program, and you're going to get instant access to everything that I talked about today. Most importantly, you are going to get access to all of the winning trades that I showed you before and all of the future trades that we have coming up right here. So if you're looking to make consistent money in the market, and you're looking to have confidence in your trades, and you're looking to have the knowledge to do so, then you need to join today. And I really look forward to seeing you in there. And I hope you make that decision, because I really want to help you make consistent money in the market. I will see you in there.